Hello everybody, welcome to Monday. This is the last day of August. The S&P 500 has had its best August since 2000, up a little bit over 7% for the month, which is really great. And our portfolios have done fantastic, very, very pleased with that. Today, the S&P 500 was down 0.2%. But it wasn't bad. It was a pretty even day. This might be one of those days where you see the S&P 500 down and our accounts are actually up. The targeted indexes that we're using, Apple was up 3.4% today, for example, and bonds were up today. They've been kind of coming down for quite a while. They had a nice little run today, so that's a good thing. I spend the weekends digging through all of these broad and targeted indexes. And what I have found is that if I can find significant strength for the last 9 months, oftentimes that will continue for the next 12 months. And so I have a screen that I look through and I flip through chart after chart after chart, and I make lists of all of the holdings and targeted indexes that have done really well over that 9-month period. I'll tell you right now, the key is technology of all types: innovative technology, big company technology, little company technology, information technology, etc. It's really driving the entire market. All of the holdings that come out on top are there, but there are a couple of other areas that are picking up and doing quite well. Clean energy is an area that's really done very well. It's at the top of the list really for the last 9 months. Not a lot of them, but a few of them. Sustainable investing also has a fair number. So these ESG investments, environmental, social, and governments, have done quite well. And the last one is really kind of consumer discretionary. So these are targeted indexes that are looking for things that people want, and a lot of those indexes would have like an Amazon, Home Depot, McDonald's, Nike, Lowe's, Starbucks, Target, those, Tesla even, those types of things in their index. So that's what's moving right now. There's a little bit of breadth there, but it's still got a ways to go to really create a lot of breadth. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Really good month of August, and let's hope for a good September. Thank you.